What's happening? Was that a real thing? Was that song a real, actual thing that was, like, not a spoof?
No, I'm fairly certain.
Wow. Because I'd never heard of it. You know, we're here in Los Angeles. I can't believe I'd never heard of that song. I'm kind of glad I didn't. But, so who did that song? That was not a spoof. That was actually a legitimate, hey, we think people are going to be excited if they listen to this song about the team.
Well, you don't know the original?
No. I know.
Ram it all day, ram it all night, ram it.
As in the Los Angeles Rams?
Yes, Ben Maller plays that all the time when he gets on his. And tonight, I'm sure you'll hear it 11 to 3, probably for 4 hours. It'll probably be background music.
So, was this song created back in the 70s?
Yes.
Right? Okay. So it was created back in the 70s.
And then he brought it back, saying we need an update.
No, it's just that I can't believe it. Is what
Yeah,
I'm
no,
saying.
you can bring it up, and you'll turn it up there in the update studio, and you'll be rocking and rolling the rest of the day.
Well, somehow it's I'm more of a. Okay, so that was the 70s, because it has kind of an 80s beat to it.
Well, yeah, no, this is Elton John's redo, so it's kind of.
That doesn't sound like Elton John, though. Elton John, you know, he's better than that. Elton John is better than that sound. When I
I think he just kind of wanted to go with the big.
doesn't sound like Elton John. That sounds like, who was that? Toto from the 80s.
Wow.
I saw the rains down. Yeah.
Look, I mean, there's a percentage chance that it was just Seacrest having some fun, but it seemed kind of random to pick that out.
Okay, this
We'll
calls,
play the original later.
this calls for a Fox Sports Radio investigation. When I think Elton John, I think Philadelphia Freedom. Now, that's a song about a city. All right, well, you've taken the wind out of my sails completely. Back to you. No, I will talk about the reason we're talking about this. And in the NFL, Saturday night, Adam Schefter reporting that the Rams are trading Jared Goff to the Lions for Matthew Stafford. Lions will also get first-round picks in 2022, 2023, a third-round pick in 2021, and also presumably the rights to that Carly song. Very good. In the NBA Saturday night, Portland's Damian Lillard hit a three-pointer at the buzzer to bury the Bulls 123 to 122. Lillard finishing with 44 points, 8 three-pointers, and 9 assists. Lakers held off the Celtics in Boston 96 to 95. Anthony Davis 27 points, 14 rebounds. LeBron James 21 points, 7 rebounds, 7 assists. Suns winning at Dallas 111-105. Mavericks have lost 5 straight. The Rockets have won 5 straight. They won at New Orleans 126 to 112. Christian Wood 27 points, 11 out of 13 from the field. Steph Curry 30 points, 6 three-pointers in Golden State's 118 to 91 win over Detroit. Grizzlies winning at San Antonio 129 to 112. Look out now, but Memphis has won 6 straight. Elton John can write a song about them, perhaps. John Morant, 19 points and 11 assists. Finally, in golf, after 3 rounds of the Farmers Insurance Open, Carlos Ortiz and Patrick Reed are tied for the lead at 10 under par overall. It just doesn't sound like Elton John. All right, I'm going to initiate a Fox Sports Radio investigation. I'll hopefully have the results by the end of the show.
I thought it would be a fun thing to do for 35 seconds, not derail, A, your update, B, where you are mentally for the rest of the day. You're now